It's your boy Tadona Shamsad. I'm back revising with you history. And guys, I hope you're all safe. Always remember to sanitize, put on your mask, and then always maintain social distancing. Right. In the previous lesson of the causes of the World War I, we're just looking at the great powers. Now, we want to look at the Balkans. Who were the Balkans? Now, the Balkans refers to mixed states and races of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. So these are mixed states of different races of the Austro-Hungary Empire. Most of the states were part of Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire is now Turkey. They were very unstable. There were conflicts. However, there were some parts which still existed, which include Albania, Greece, Serbia, and Bulgaria. Their government was unstable because they were ruled by Turkish Muslims, while they were Christians. They did not want the boundaries that were created by the international community. They wanted all Slav people to come together. Serbia wanted to create a single independent state, thus there were nationalist feelings. It wanted to create a Yugoslav state, which is nowadays Yugoslavia. There was conflict of interest between Austria and Russia as they wanted access to control the Mediterranean Sea. Now, let's look at the causes of the First World War. Right, there are many causes of the World War I, and these are: 1, the alliance system; 2, the arms race; 3, industrial competition; 4, race for colonies; 5, enmity between France and Germany; 6, Bosnian crisis; 7, First Balkan War and Second Balkan War; lastly, the Sarajevo assassination. Right. So we'll be looking into the causes one by one. So first we are going to look in the alliance system. What was the alliance system? The alliance system was a network of a series of treaties which were made by different countries. Europe was divided into arms and hostile games, the Triple Alliance and the Triple Entente. The Triple Alliance consisted of Germany, Italy, and Austria-Hungary. However, when World War I erupted, Italy was on the side of the Triple Entente, and we were on the side of the Triple Entente. The Triple Entente consisted of France, Germany, and Britain. Right. And conflict between small powers would mean that the rest of Europe would interfere. It caused great power problems to be the problems of war of Europe. Right, that's the alliance system. Then we go the arms race. What did the arms race contributed to the cause of the First World War I? Right, there was competition to produce weapons. All countries in Europe were involved. The great powers grew larger in size and production of weapons. Right. For example, Britain and Germany were competing in production of weapons. Right. Then we had the naval race. The naval race, there was competition between Britain and Germany to build battleships. Initially, Britain was the master of the sea. Remember when we talked about Britain, she was nicknamed the Sea Lion, which means that she was most powerful in terms of sea weapons like the battleships, submarines, whatever. However, it changed in 1898 when Germany began to expand its navy. Germany introduced the naval laws. Remember. It widened the Kiel Canal. This threatened and alarmed Britain. Britain built a new type of a ship called the Dreadnought in 1905, which was the heaviest type of warship. Germany began to build its own Dreadnought. However, Britain would build twice as much as ships. Right, that was the naval race. Then we go on to the industrial competition. What the industrial competition contributed? The industrialization of Germany caused the competition for markets, raw materials, and sources of cheap labor. Germany and Britain competed to control trade and commerce. enmity between France and Germany. France wanted war with Germany to regain yellow spread and Ypres. Remember the Franco-Prussian War which Germany took Alsace-Lorraine? France wanted war of revenge because she had lost Alsace-Lorraine. You see? Right. That was industrial competition. Now we got colonial rival or race for colonies. What was this? There was competition for colonies in Europe because of the need of raw materials and markets. Britain and France clashed over the domination of African territories, but however, they became closer because of the First and Second Moroccan crisis. When the Johnson raid found the Kaiser, sent a telegram to the Boers Transvaal for garage behind them for defeat against Germany. Now, with the Balkan nationalism, what was it, the Balkan nationalism? Remember, Russia supported Slav nationalism, and this caused tension between Russia and Germany. It caused conflicts, which increased the tension, e.g. the First Balkan War. Serbia gained confidence and increased its territory. Tension increased between the Triple Alliance and the Triple Entente. Austria-Hungary waited for a chance to attack Serbia. Right, let's look into the First Balkan War. Right, the Balkan War was fought in 1912. Members of the Balkan League consisted of Serbia. And remember, when we talked about Serbia, we said it was the leading Slav states. So the members were Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, Montenegro, Romania, and so forth. Right. The First Balkan War was a Western-inspired nationalism of young Turkeys, which forced the jealous and divided Balkan states to form the Balkan League. The new government in Turkey was harsh. Remember, we said the government in Turkey was controlled by the Muslims, so the people were Christians. The young Turks attempted to introduce common law, common national language, and compulsory military service into the area. The young Turks began to persecute the Christians. The young Turks, in their effort to put the empire together, adopted drastic methods and brutal methods with no attempt to ally the Christians. However, this united the Christians in the Balkans and they formed a military league. So the Christians, sensing the danger and the brutal methods they faced by the Muslims, they formed a military league. The league aim was to support the riots who were still under Turkish rule. The Balkan states also hoped that they would share territories of Macedonia and Albania if they fought against Turkey. That's the desire for territorial gain combined with the brutality of Turkish rule, encouraged by Russia, so is the Balkan states uniting. In October 1912, the Balkan League declared war on Turkey. Turkey was easily defeated. Big powers were shocked about the Balkan League. Whoa! Look at that league. It seems so powerful. You remember, Turkey was a giant. It was one of the great powers, but it was defeated by the small powers. In 1913, they signed the Treaty of London to end the war. It was decided that Turkey's European territories should be shared among the Balkan League members. Albania was an independent state. However, this did not please Serbia because it blocked its way to the Adriatic Sea. In compensation, Serbia was given a large slice of Macedonia at the expense of Bulgaria. This did not please Bulgaria, which felt that it had done so much fighting. Austria-Hungary made sure that Serbia remained landlocked by ensuring Albania was landlocked. Thus, the Balkan League was divided by disputes. There was tension between Serbia and Austria-Hungary. And the unequal share of the territories of Turkey made it for some Balkan countries to cause another Second Balkan War. And to look at the Second Balkan War in the next lesson. Guys, remember to subscribe, hit a comment, and like. Hope you are safe, you're always sanitizing, you're masking on, and observing your social distance. Meet you in the other lesson. Bye.